Yo guys, what's up? It's Ricky from Dance's Dope, and today we are doing our B-Boy footwork for beginners part 2. Now yes, this is part 2, but if you haven't seen part 1, don't worry. I advise going through this tutorial first, then you can jump onto part 1. I'll have links in the description for my other B-Boy footwork playlist. I've got routines, foundation tutorials, all sorts of stuff, yeah? But apart from that, let's get straight into this one. The 4 moves we're going to do today are a helicopter, also known as a coffee grinder here in the UK, or a 1-step. We're going to do a 2-step, we're going to do a 4-step, and we're going to do a Peter Pan. Yeah, so we've got 4 different footwork moves we're going to do today. So let's get straight into it. Let's get them covered. So, helicopter, also known as a coffee grinder, a 1-step. What's the different names? Yeah, so helicopter is what I'm going to call it. You're going to start here in our neutral position, as always. Make sure your heels are up, don't have them down, make sure you're up, nice and comfortable. You're going to bring your hands down in front, you're going to bring your right leg out to the side. Now, a helicopter looks like this. So your leg is just coming around, yeah? So all you're going to do, start with that right leg out to the side, you're going to sweep it around the front. It's important to keep this leg as straight as you can, generates a lot more power that way. Now once it gets to your arms, move your arms out of the way as that leg keeps coming. Once it gets as far to here as it has to kind of start to bend, you want to hop this left foot over it as that right foot keeps on moving. So hop that left foot over, right foot will keep on moving, comes back around to where you started. Yeah, so again, that right foot is coming around the front. You move them arms out of the way, hop it over, and out. I'll do it to the side. So to the side here, you're going to have your right foot up. You want to bring it round, move your hands out of the way, and hop it over. I'm shouting out all the opposites, so I've actually got my left foot out, but I'm shouting out the opposites just so it's easier for you to learn, so you can mirror it, yeah? One more. So right foot up, bring your foot around, move your arms out of the way, jump it over the top. Then from there, ideally you want to go again. Keep it moving, keep that leg going, arms over, jump it over. And one more, keep it moving, arms over, jump that leg over, and back around. Quick, it's just 1, 2, 3. Yeah? Easy. There's your helicopter. Now if you do struggle with any of these moves, do not worry. Just rewind it back, go back through it, easily done, yeah? Okay, so the next one is a 2-step, also known as a baby swipe, because it does kind of look like a smaller swipe. So this one looks like this. Yeah? What we're going to do with this one, starting it out in neutral again, you're going to bring your left foot in front. I've got my left hand down as well. You're going to switch, so that is step number 1. Step number 2 is a big step. Step number 2, you're going to switch, keep that foot in the air, you switch your hands, so my right hand's coming down. Now this right foot is going to sweep in as you jump and turn inwards. So you're going to jump, twist, turn inwards towards yourself. My left hand's going to come down, and then I finish out with that left foot out. Yeah? So as I said, I'm shouting out all the opposites just to make it easier for you to mirror. So again, start with that left foot out, left hand down. Step number 1. Step number 2, which is a difficult one, I'll move it slightly to the side so you might be able to see easier. You're going to switch, bring it through, keep it up. You're going to jump, twist, just watch one if you need to before trying it. Twist, shoot your other leg out. Because from there you're back at step number 1. So then you'll just do one switch, bring it in, jump, twist, shoot it out. Back to step number 1. And step 2, jump, sweep it in, jump, twist, out. Yeah? Nice. One more time. So starting with that left foot up, left hand down, step number 1, jump, switch, sweep it in, twist, out. And that's why we call it a baby swipe. If you don't know what a swipe is, I believe I do teach a swipe. I definitely teach a swipe in one of my tutorials. Go through the playlist, you'll catch it. But there's your 2-step. So there's helicopter or coffee grinder done, and a 2-step done. Next we'll do a 4-step, which is slightly harder I'd say, but it's a good one for you to try definitely. So a 4-step looks like this. I was actually taught this one by Bboy Pole 1. If you don't know who Pole 1 is, do your research, go check him out. He's one of the old school breakers. He came to the UK for a workshop. So 4 steps, a challenging one though. So what we're going to do, start it in neutral here. Now, this one can be confusing, so make sure you listen up for this one. You're going to hop on right foot as you kick your left foot round and keep it up. So you hop out on right foot, kick your left foot out. So here, so you've got right foot down, left foot out, left hand down. From here, you're going to hop on that right foot again as your left foot kicks back. So you should be here. Now all you're going to do from here is switch. So you're going to hop onto that left foot as your right foot comes up and switch your hands to there. Now your right foot is going to kick through and forwards as you hop onto that left foot again. There, yeah? So you're hopping on right foot, left foot, left foot. And you're kicking left foot, kick left foot back, and kick right foot forwards. Yeah, so you'll hop on left foot, hop on left foot, hop on right foot, hop on right foot. So again, starting in that neutral, you hop onto your left foot, you hop on your left foot again as that right foot comes back, you hop on right foot, then hop through. So let me do that again. I'll shout on the opposite so you can mirror it. So you're hopping on right foot, you're hopping on right foot again, then you're switching to hop on your left foot, and hop on left foot again. And all the leg that's in the air is doing is either in front, kicking back, either at the back, or kick in front. One more time. As I said, don't worry if you struggle with this one. This one's difficult. You might have to rewind it back a couple of times for the 4-step. So you're hopping on that right foot, hop on that right foot again as the left foot comes back. Now you're hopping on that left foot as right foot is up, then hop on that left foot again as right foot kicks forward. Boom. There's your 4-step. If you want to go one into the other, you'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That one will definitely take some practice, yeah? Don't worry. Okay, so there's move number 3 done. Last one is our Peter Pan. So a Peter Pan looks like this. There's a few different versions of the Peter Pan, but this is the one I'm going to teach, yeah? So we're going to start in your A-frame. A-frame is this position. But people know it's the 3rd step of the 6th step. So you want to be here, kind of like a press-up position, but legs out, knees down, don't have that butt up. So we're going to start it there. Now from here, you're going to step your right leg through. Then your left leg, your left knee, is going to come behind your ankle to here. And what I want you to do with your front hand, your left hand, is to bring it up to here. Yeah? So again, starting the A-frame, step right foot through, step your left knee behind your ankle as you bring that hand in. And from here, step that foot back. So left foot comes back, and right foot comes back to the A-frame. And left foot comes through, and your right knee comes behind your left ankle. Hand up again, right hand is coming up this time, and you want to step it back. Right foot back, left foot back. Now let's repeat Peter Pan, yeah? So again, step right foot through, left knee behind your ankle, step that left foot back, step that right foot back, then your left foot steps through, right knee behind your ankle, step it back, back again. Yeah, if I go to the side quicker, it looks like this. Step, hit, step, 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 hit, step, step. Yeah? Nice. Let's recap. So we started out with our helicopter. So we started here, right foot up, you swing it round and round. So make sure you lift your hands over and hop over. Next one was our 2-step. So you kick left foot up, switch, so right foot comes out, sweep, and jump it through. Next one was the 4-step, the most difficult one. You'll hop on right foot, left foot, left foot. So you'll hop on right foot, kick left foot back as you hop on right foot again, hop on left foot, you kick right foot forwards as you hop on left foot. There's your 4-step, and then Peter Pan, starting the A-frame, step, bring it in, step back, step, bring it in, step back, step back. Nice. So there is 4 more B-Boy footwork for beginner moves. Now, well done if you made it to the end of that one. If you did enjoy this video, be sure to hit that like button, smash the subscribe button. If there's anything that I'm not teaching, be sure to leave a comment down below. If you do want to learn any more B-Boy footwork, I've got links in the description for playlists to tutorials, routines, and drills, yeah? Apart from that, see you in the next one.